Hello, my name is Laura Fox-Newby and I am the Managing Director here at Good Things. The pandemic's still a very real thing and it's still having an impact on all of our clients and teams alike, just like the rest of the world really. But one thing that is definitely apparent for us is that no matter what's happened, it hasn't stopped us getting things done. Working with the charity sector is something that we are all so passionate about. The idea of Thyngs, when Neil first came up with it, was inspired by the Royal British Legion and the realisation that in a world that was increasingly carrying less cash, they still needed to be able to collect those vital funds. Good Things is a cashless fundraising platform, but with an ever-growing toolkit for fundraisers and marketeers to use to create truly engaging, exciting and new experiences to power their cashless fundraising. On the platform itself, you can create your campaigns, design them, get them deployed, manage them, edit them in flight if required, and it's also constantly keeping you up to date with how those campaigns are going. There is so much data that sits within our platform that charities have just never had before. This is something that really has truly supercharged their ability to fundraise and to continue creating successful campaigns. Charities truly are at the forefront of everything that we do here. We've been the pace setters in this market since Thyngs was launched in 2016. So far, we've helped charities raise over £4 million in cashless donations. Their fundraising ideas constantly become more exciting and more innovative. We've obviously seen coffee mornings, but we've seen gala dinners, collectible trails, even an art exhibition completely transformed. Most importantly, we're seeing donations and interactions absolutely soar. This is the interaction supporters want with charities. We know that, we've proved that, and now we just need to keep getting better at giving it to them.